To assemble these parts, you're going to need to make a slotting chisel that's exactly the same thickness as the sheet metal that you're using. I would normally hammer out a chisel from a piece of spring steel. It was a long process that took a lot of grinding. But fortunately, as you get a little older, you get a little smarter. And now I just cut them out of these saw blades. This is a perfect example of how necessity is the mother of invention. If I didn't have to make a dozen of these for a class I was teaching, I never would have looked for an easier way of doing this. And these saw blades do come in a wide range of thicknesses that cover just about everything you would need. To cut the slot, you just drill a series of holes that outline the location of the slot, and then you use the chisel to shear out the metal in between the holes. Then you assemble the pieces and use a file to trim the length of the tenons. And then you use a light cross peen to rivet the tenons in place. Once the parts are riveted, you use a file to flatten up the back of the plate.